Hey everyone, Tecno has launched its new Pova Slim 5G, which is just 5.95mm thin and weighs only 156 grams. The price is set at 19,999 rupees, but the question is, should you buy this phone? Let's find out. Talking about the design and display, this phone truly feels premium. It comes with a 6.78-inch 3D curved AMOLED display, a 144Hz refresh rate, and a peak brightness of 4500 nits, which means you'll have a great experience even in bright sunlight. It's also protected by Gorilla Glass 7i. For performance, it's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6400 processor with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. It handles daily tasks and normal gaming with ease, but if you're into heavy gaming, you might feel a slight lack of power. The camera setup includes a 50MP plus 2MP rear camera and a 13MP selfie camera. It's decent for everyday photos and social media, but the absence of an ultra-wide lens is a bit of a letdown. It supports video recording up to 2K. The battery is a 5160 mAh unit that supports 45W fast charging. According to the company, it can charge from 0 to 100% in about 55 minutes, and the battery backup easily lasts a full day. This phone is not just slim but also durable, as it comes with military-grade certification and an IP64 rating. The dynamic mood light design makes it even more stylish. It also features Tecno's own Ella AI, which includes an AI call assistant, writing, image editing, privacy blurring, and support for several Indian languages. Now the question is, should you buy it? If you're looking for a super slim, lightweight, stylish smartphone with an AMOLED display and AI features, then this phone is a great option for you. However, if your main focus is on high-end gaming or a more powerful processor, you might want to consider other alternatives like the Moto G86. So friends, what do you think is the biggest highlight of this phone, the slim design or the AMOLED display? Let me know in the comments below.